Okay.
Why is Michael not here? Where's Michael? Bring him right, Michael.
Where's
Michael.
A lot in CSGO while it lasts for, but I don't know, like now it's weird because CS2 is coming out and it's kind of different game, so I mean we are kind of playing right now a really good CS and I think we are a top team, but we will see when CS2 comes out.
Press the start button on the phone.
And I got kicked on it.
Pawn up.
Yo, can't believe we're playing a miner named Cooper.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's minor.
Wait, who
I'm
is
just a
Cooper?
minor player.
Yep,
I'm just a minor player.
He's Cooper.
Look, guys, we're all voting tens
Who the
together.
fuck's a ref? Aloris, bro.
Yeah. I know, bro.
Boris, hurry up.
I wasn't supposed to ref. Hold on,
Hurry
get
up.
it ready.
Hurry up.
Too bad.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, boy.
Too bad. You should have
Are
known.
you not even live? Bro.
I am live. I'm posting my stream. Chill.
Ain't no one give a fuck about that weak ass stream, bro.
Thug life outfit?
Just record the game.
Who is that?
You don't gotta.
The standalone method. Who the hell are you?
I'm not getting pinged.
Okay.
Dude, we're getting pink as our games right now.
We got GV.
Dude, I can't. My controller keeps.
You're good.
I didn't
You're
see
good.
a ping.
Press the start button on the
Oh,
phone.
my
You're
controller
good.
just went into the ground because I lost
Probably
tracking.
about to be
There
technical about it.
You're good.
That's why.
you go.
You're good, Daisy.
Sure.
Okay.
You're short in real life, Damsey.
Spin
Ain't
check.
that.
You're good, GV.
Bro, what?
Damsey weighs 400.
Oh, yeah.
You're good, Jack.
Wait, I gotta eat
Yeah,
before we
right.
start, so I have to warm up.
Bro, I gotta
You're
get
good. You're good.
Y'all
My
have to
thick
allow
neck.
us to spectate Danzy that whole time, bro. That fool's gonna glitch on.
No, don't do that, please.
Yo,
Don't wanna
Donnie.
I'm not
Dancy,
ready yet. I have to eat a
spin
little bit
check.
more. Just a little bit more. A little bit more.
I'm
You're
not
good,
glitching
Donnie.
on, dude. I'm just flying across my room.
That's actually what's happening.
Same magnitude.
Hey, can you delete the cake? It's making me lag.
Delete the cake. It's making you
Why does everything make him lag, bro?
I'm gonna throw it at you mid-match.
Alright.
Can we
Nice.
start?
I don't.
DMC spit. I need you to spin
Wait, no.
check.
You have to delete this.
Press
Oh
the
Hey,
my
King.
god, bruh.
Listen to Aloris.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, start
Pull out your
whenever.
mega plan. Can you delete it? No. Delete this, bro.
Delete the
Nah,
cake.
I don't think you can
Who
delete it with
gives
Mega
a
Pin.
fuck?
Yeah, you can't delete that.
Bro, that's like one less FPS, bro.
Cake's in
One
the spot.
means
Cake's
a
in
lot.
the spot.
Bro.
Yo,
Hate the cake.
Okay,
and
now
the
delete
finisher.
this. There you go.
I threw it in my spawn so I could throw it at you
Oh.
mid-match.
we're gonna start lagging. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, come on.
Take- there we go.
Fucking sucking that shit.
Yeah, bro. If we lost,
Alright, you're good to
if we
start.
lost, I would have blamed the cake and the
Is
miner
that
in their
the real
team.
donut, bro? Voice check.
And the miner. Never curse.
I'm just a minor player. I'm just a minor
Is
player.
that slave?
game on.
Okay, you have Blueberry Cats in the villains.
Laser
You have the
tag.
villains on blue side. You have GV,
Tag
Jag,
players
and
advance.
Riot.
Restore points.
For Blueberry Cats, on red side, you have DMC, Cooper, and Donnie. I have 6, so sorry if I can't play with them. GV tags Cooper. GV tags DMC, GV tags Donnie. GV going 3-1, top scoring, and Donnie top scoring for Blueberry Cats. Cooper tags Jag. GV tags DMC. This is really good lag.
Blue team leads. weapon online.
Jag tags Cooper. Josie tags Jag. Jag tags Cooper.
Blue team is nearing victory.
Jag tags Donnie.
Power weapon spawning in 10 seconds. Power weapon online.
Donnie tags GB.
Over. Good game.
Alright, top scorer was GV, second was Jack, last was Riot. And top scorer was Cooper for Blueberry Cats. Alright, go to CJC.
I mean, doing that, you're not playing on the team at all. I'm not gonna lie.
Ready?
Kenzie, you did worse than me.
You're not. Maybe because you're baiting, bro? What?
What?
I gave you hella kills, though. On team.
Nah.
Like, there was so many times you could have razzed me or Donnie, and you're not near.
Bro, you literally just died and you're asking for the res. Oh my. Nah. Teal. Oh, alleyway.
Press the start button on the scoreboard to play. Ready to start.
I have retrieved the account.
Can
we start?
You can start whenever.
You have the OG location of your own account, right?
Alright, you have
Game
same
on.
teams. Orange side is
Laser
the
tag.
Rose and Blueberry Cast on
Tag
field.
players and bots to score points.
Cooper tax Jag. GV tax Donnie. GV tax Cooper Ghost tax GV.
Power weapon spawning in 10
And
seconds.
Riot's
Teal team leads. Power weapon online.
currently Blueberry Cats is in the lead.
Orange team leads. Teal team leads. Orange team leads. Teal team leads. Power weapon spawning in 10 seconds. Teal team is nearing victory. Power weapon online. Orange team leads.
Games attacks GV. Jack tax Cooper.
got it. Okay.
And that's a win
Good
for
game.
the villains again.
It really should not have been that close, Riot. You were awful.
Bro,
And
Danzy,
Danzy
yo,
is
where you
glitch
watching
running
Danzy?
the
He's
whole
the
game.
glitch
The
runner, bro. Oh my
entire
god,
game.
bro.
He is glitch running his
I
balls
chased
off.
him down into the subway and bro was like moving at 30 miles per hour.
No, dude,
Dude,
Danzy
that
just
guy
has
sucks.
good movement, dude. Dude, he just has good
Throwing a
movement.
stop.
Bro, he was like diving
It's
into
just-
life, bro.
Flying across the room is just good movement.
Shit is not good movement. Shit is glitch running.
Danzy, can I see the movement in action right here?
I'm just looking down. That's all I do, bro.
Bro, he dives on
Yeah,
his
you're
bed,
fucking,
bro.
you're
He
diving
definitely-
into the floor, bro.
Bro, he has some
Dummy
actions
movement.
on his
It's not glitch running. It's
No,
not
it's like
glitch.
sliding in Fortnite. It's literally the sliding mechanic in Fortnite.
Can't hear nothing.
Alright, good games, guys.
I'm fucking stuck.
Good games, guys.
Get your miner on. Get miner on.
Slide mechanic.
Yeah, you kind of showed, Donnie, get your miner on. Get your
Yeah,
miner,
miner.
son.
No.
Where's Jake?
Press the start button on the scoreboard
Wait,
to play.
Yo, breakfast.
Is he gone?
Is your minor team gonna play? Okay. Just, I'll be in POLT. I'm just kidding. Okay, that's fine.
Oh.
Oh, Loris, the other minor team's gonna get on, so we should play.
Okay.
Party up.
And men.
Yeah. Yeah, that guy. That guy.
What about
Who are
that
these
guy?
randoms?
That guy, he's short, he's fat, he's a midget. He's like a dwarf.
Slushy, we're playing Donut, Zeppy, and Namir. Good luck.
Hold on, leave the party.
I don't
We're
even
not
know.
even anymore.
Bro, we could have won that fucking CJC game also. I'm a little irritated.
No.
How'd you die 12 times?
Because I'm not good at CDC.
I mean, if Mario played, we probably would win both. Not gonna lie.
He
Or
sold.
We totally would have won CJC. We totally would have won CJC if Mario played. But Hanger...
Abel, my solos match got sold because there's this one guy named Sweet Sweet Chocolate, and he's really Asian.
Oh, wait, I'm appearing offline.
like
That's why they're not getting
Filipino
me.
type of Asian, and he was lagging.
Because this
He
game
was
is
shooting me
stupid.
while he was dead. So
Thought it still
he
worked.
sold my match.
No, it doesn't. If you're appearing offline,
Yeah,
you
Zero.
simply won't
I was
tell
playing
them
with
to
Zero.
get it.
He had a
Oh,
solos game, right?
I only appear online to
I
favorites.
was like, aight. Who the fuck texted me?
Yeah. I'ma just play this one minor, LT, and if I play well, I'm not playing. I don't want to play for scared. I'm gonna play for wagon,
Dude.
cause I don't know who he is. He just wants to play Minecraft with me.
Are the
Damsy
villains
went
minors here?
17-5.
Scared.
Scared?
That was crazy, bro.
He's ass. It's a time stopper.
My minor team was literally just on, and then I appeared online to invite them, and they got off.
Bruh.
When does my game start? It's hot. It's really hot.
Oh, when does your game start?
Pink Panthers.
I don't know, man. I don't really know.
Pink sluts. But for minors.
Maybe like an hour. Wait, like an hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours.
God damn.
Maybe 3.
When is my squads match? I can't sell that one. That's a free golden backpack.
Oh, shit. I forgot squads is today. Oh.
Oh yeah, you're in the same league.
Hey, man.
Fuck. Yo, are you game 1?
Yeah.
Zeppy,
low-key,
we could have won
lost
CJC.
anyway, bro, like,
Damsy
I
went
pressed- I
17-5 and we
pressed- I
lost.
pressed just flood, bro. Like, we're
So,
done.
so. I'ma give me
The
a-
Donut went
Oh my
4 and
God.
4 and 12.
Hey,
then I went
hey,
5
I'm
and
just a
7.
minor. I'm just a minor.
Look, me and Damsy's
I'm
teamwork
just
is
a
good,
minor
but he just
player.
gets majority of the kills. Like, me and him play together really well.
Good.
In Hanger, I did so shit because I kept getting 1v3'd, and then Donut's over here like, where's the enemy? How many times? Don't worry, he's getting it. He's stretching. He's stretching.
Yeah, I was just
Alright, Alora,
stretching it
our
out.
team's here. You can tell me to go to Hanger.
Okay.
Slosh, you are.
Leave your party.
Slosh,
Donut.
just invite,
No.
Cooper, Zeppy, or name here.
No.
Just invite one of those three.
Yes, leave your party, no penis.
Leave party, little fella.
Hello, fellers. Why is he at me? Stop trying to add me.
Dude, you better not. Dude, if you do bad at CJC, you're not gonna be in the CJC lineup for minors.
Yeah, you didn't
bad.
drop, buddy. I'm gonna.
If you do worse,
Stick
then
with your
you-
team.
Hey,
Dude,
I'm just
listen,
a public player.
Listen,
No,
we
I'm
had
just a
highway,
public player.
right? Me and Danty told Donut to stick to highway, and Donut instantly goes alleyway and dies. Red start of the game.
W
No,
teammate?
no.
Wait.
What did
No,
Wait.
that's because
Wait.
I spawned there. I died,
Wait.
and then I
Oh,
and then I spawned.
so it's the
That's
person
not
who
Kids
died.
alert. Kids alert. The kids
Because
alert.
because
Kids
Bro, I
alert.
got killed at the start, bro. You use poor. You're not on the index like me. Use poor.
I'm on the index,
Yo,
you
hold
know.
up, the
You
cat's
guys
in
should
the
go in the
room,
hangar.
cat's in the room. Hold up, the cat. I'll
This is
come
the
back.
room.
I'll
You guys are home.
put my cat's in the room. I'll be back.
I'm gonna go to hangar.
Okay.
Rape him. Wait. Chat, rape him.
Though, was Danzy glitch running? I need to know. I actually didn't really see it. You did? You saw it?
I didn't see
Yo,
any of this
Intel
training.
told me you've been talking.
Oh. It's really hard to
My
hear you.
intel.
I have music.
That's
gonna be a bias ref. The last train square.
Bro, yo, this index is trash, bro. This is so buns.
You lost to Bobby. You should kill yourself. In game.
Like, Donnie,
Best.
Donnie, index
Yo.
is bad, bro. This is not fun, bro.
Kizzy.
So buns.
Danzy went 17-5 in CJC. We lost against the Roads.
You bad, bro.
Donut went 5-12. He was really
Go.
lost.
He's Batman, bro.
I did
Here
better
he
in
is.
Hanger. I did better in
See?
Hanger.
Yeah,
Batman's
he went
here.
neutral.
Hanger.
Dude, I
carried
did bad
Hanger.
in Hanger because Donut kept running away from me in every pistol fight. It would be a 2v2. Donut would just run away from me.
Bro,
You
we
wanna
go
go?
against, I don't even know who we go
Leave that
against.
party.
Watermelon Warlords.
Oh, we play them tomorrow.
I'm about to go to a game, that's why.
Why?
Bleach is not even on the team anymore. That team is so free now.
I'm about to play it.
That's what I mean. Like,
Um,
even then, though, Bleach was never good. He was never good at all.
I mean, yeah, but now they just have Dizzy. They literally just have Dizzy now.
Leave that party.
Dizzy's not that
Leave your
good.
party.
On wall.
Leave your party.
No.
They just party up like party. Can you not say
Where's
no
my
again?
friend,
Oh,
so-
you're actually annoying me.
Yo, Namir, when you get there, invite me.
You need to calm down, little fella.
I haven't got an invite yet.
What would you do if I dropped
Okay.
20
I meant to.
kills with 0 deaths on the index? Would you be insane? Would you be shocked?
Aloris,
Yeah, I'll be shocked. Lock
you
it.
have
Do it.
me the adder.
Do it, and I'll give
Would
you
you be like,
Bill.
I'm the best player?
Bro,
Would you be like, I'm the best player?
I will call you
Me
the
and Namer,
best
we got
player
here
in
at, like,
record.
what is the actual, like,
I'll
Okay,
give you a
you
dice
guys-
skin.
0.
is here.
Huh?
Let me invite.
I'll give you a dice skin.
Be quiet before I drop. I've got everything in the game on this account. I swear down, I do.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, this account had 3 million tokens.
Bro's found a really pretty penny on the game.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even get this index. Some e-girl gave it me. So now
Donut,
I'm
did you
locking
join
in.
your team?
So now I'm
Join your
actually
team.
locking in.
Oh, it doesn't give me that invite for some reason. Did they leave?
Who's my
didn't invite
son?
me.
Yeah, I think they did.
They didn't invite me. No, they didn't.
What do you mean? Because you didn't want to party up with them.
Is Ultra playing?
Oh no, they told me
Yeah,
you
he
wanted
is.
to
He's into
party
it.
up, and then like,
He is, bro.
bro,
He
if you was
plays
being
a
confusing,
dodgeball league. He'd rather play this.
He does apparently.
Now he plays.
where is bro? Where is?
People are getting
Bro
on in 5
kept
minutes.
saying
Hold up, fake
leave
message
and
me.
party up, then leave and then party up.
Bro, who do you think you are spam messaging me like that?
Bro, can they invite
Yo, you gonna
Donut?
watch
What
the
are they
game?
doing?
You gonna watch the stream? You gonna watch
Donut,
it?
appear
Yo,
online.
it's funny
Yeah.
when I'm on the index because I camp behind enter. I don't move from enter. I always sit behind them the whole time. You see it? I sit behind them.
I don't
I'm
even see
trash.
my own team on. What the fuck? Bro.
Yeah, wanna know why your team's scared of mine? Because I got faith. We got the best player.
Bro.
I'm scared today.
I take this game, I take minor league way too serious, bro.
Donut, I'll take you there. Party up, man.
You'll take me too.
No,
Wherever Donut
Loris, you're
is.
not going. You're not allowed to go. I said so.
On the riff. Yes, dude.
Wait, party up me right now. Party up.
Oh.
I think I'm not in a party. I was only in a party with Donut and Ramsey. Where's Donut?
Oh, you look like me, bro. That's my fit. Why are we stealing fits all of a sudden?
I've never
Wait,
seen you
did
wear
Donut
this
already
in
join
my
there,
life.
Loris?
Hold up. Ready?
Did you leave already?
Hold up.
Let's
I'm
go.
actually confused.
I've never
Let's
seen
go.
you wear this in my life.
Mums, I gotta look for it. It's like really far. But I've got the
Oh,
brown
he's
stuff,
already
but
in
I
there.
just have the
I'll take
green
you there
one.
still.
Exactly like that, but brown with the brown wear set.
I've never
Where
seen
is
you
it,
wear.
bro?
I just wanted to get Loris.
I'm dying.
I just wanted to get Loris.
Yo.
I'm dying, bro.
Dodgeball champion.
Alright.
Ready? Are you ready for this? Set that back up right now.
No, I'm not doing that. You can do that yourself.
I'm a dodgeball champion, bro. Watch.
Alright, controller's on the floor.
Which one's your fucking teammate?
He's joining right now.
Boom.
Like, I actually like. Are you streaming right now? Because I don't
Yeah.
want to see the word if you get banned from
Yeah,
stream.
I am.
On Twitch.
I'm
I was gonna
streaming.
say he's the E word, but
Alright, controller's on the floor, guys.
Hold up.
Yo.
Press the start button
You're
on the scoreboard
good.
to
why are you
play.
just like right next to me? Holy shit,
Hey,
Controller's on the floor.
Look, see if I just.
You're good.
Oh shit.
You get
What are you
slushy.
doing?
I'm
And
missing a
just
while.
fucking fling your controller.
Is that I
You're good,
can't do the
Zeddy.
thing anymore
It's,
except play Quest 3, so no
Yeah, I
matter
already
what,
checked
it's
me.
gonna
Said,
Unless if you're fake hacking.
wait, don't let me see.
Very unfair.
Not tracking off.
maybe center of the crate.
Yeah, you're good.
I can't put my controller on the floor without it like.
I can't
That's
hear it,
fine.
and my ears
No,
are
it's
kind
fine.
of clogged.
Okay. Can
Right
spin
there.
checks.
There's fucking air in my ears. or
You're good,
something.
Namir. You're good,
Yeah, we
Zappy.
already know.
Slushy recenter,
His
please.
butt is flying like crazy. Nobody got
You're
up
good,
there to do
son.
it.
Cozy.
So we're just letting his butt do that.
Recenter.
His butt
Oh my lord. Huh?
Can you
his butt is
spin?
flying in the air.
You already checked me.
Press the start
Oh my
button
God.
on the
You're good.
scoreboard to play.
Okay, you're good, Cozy. You're good, Slushy. Okay, y'all can start whenever.
What are you on about?
holy moly, I'm about to burst. I'm gonna burst everywhere.
Alright, you have the villains
Game
versus
on.
Blueberry Cats Minor.
Laser tag. Tag players and bots to score points.
So you have Blueberry Cats on red side and the villains on blue. Deputy Tag Slushy. Cooper is revived.
Power weapon spawning in 10 seconds. Power weapon online.
Name your attacks cozy. Slushy tags Cooper. Cooper is revived.
Red team is nearing victory.
Name your attacks cozy.
10 seconds. Power weapon online. Good game.
That donut, that bullshit. It's just, oh man,
I was, bro, I was just trying to go for bots. Every time I get close up in a 1v1, I get nauseous as hell.
200.
Ready to
Ah, you
start.
can go CJC.
200.
Full box,
Yeah, that was
200.
rough.
Tickled his ass.
You can go CJC now, guys.
Okay. Watch, I'm gonna start giving you.
Oh, and they got the least amount of points, bro. You suck.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna just start going 200.
200, 200.
Literally did better than this
Took us a while.
but we'll go with it.
You didn't do better than me. I got more I got 4 more points than you, buddy.
Wow, you got 7 kills, buddy. Well done.
Yeah,
And you had one
I
more
got
death
thieved
than me,
on.
buddy.
At the end of the game, 2 of my kills got thieved on. So I
And
would have had
anything
some on the
thieved on, he was following me. 4 of my kills gone. He was like, pew, 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 walking behind me. Like, I
I
actually
was
healed.
just doing my own thing.
I turned the corner and I seen Dawn. I was like, shoot 1 bullet and kill him.
I was actually wandering that game, just doing bots.
I don't even think we need to try next game either. I feel like we could just use our left hand. The score is terrible.
Press the start
5-5
button on
and
the
3.
scoreboard to
I feel
play.
like I could just use my left hand.
I'm giving up Fortnite callouts.
I'm gonna be like, one tap, 200, full box. Peace. 200 pump, 200 you know.
Wait, can they hear us? They can hear
No,
us.
no.
Wait, the stream can hear us?
One pump? Yeah. So every
Oh,
time we go
shit.
200, one pump, 200. Yeah, no, retards allowed on TOS on Twitch now, so don't worry.
Oh, you can? Just go.
Yeah, you can say retard on Twitch now. Can't say the A word. Loris, you want me to, yeah.
Press the start button on the scoreboard to play.
Wait. Donut.
Yeah, sure,
I
Donnie.
forget,
That's
I
fine,
forget
sure.
dialed in. I need to go Fortnite mode. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, you can start whenever.
This whole game too, I'm just gonna.
Really
I'm just
about
gonna
200 pump them every game. I'm a pirate.
I'm actually about to just walk.
200.
Alright, you have
Game
the
on.
villains on teal side and blueberry cats on orange side.
Laser tag. Tag players and bots to score points.
Slushy tags quickly. Happy tags side. Name your attacks, Slushy.
Orange team leads.
That's what I want.
Power weapon spawning in
My
10
game
seconds.
crashed.
Orange team is nearing victory. Tag players and bots to score points.
Alright. I'm back, sorry about that.
It's a free kill. Wait, that's free. That's free. 200 points.
Good game.
Okay,
Oh my god.
They got 300
myself,
points.
you know what I'm saying?
That whole game we weren't even playing properly. We were just saying 200.
I was doing my own thing. Bro.
I cannot play CJC.
Every time, all I would say is 200.
Sorry.
200.
I don't like this map. I don't like this map.
Wait,
Ready
Donut.
to start.
Get rid of it.
200. Hey,
Get
Donut,
rid of
Donut.
this map.
Throw peas.
Good work, you guys.
Donut, come here.
You did good, son.
200. One pump. I don't think I played serious at one time. Hey, but GG's though. Good game that you got 200 pumped instantly.
I was killing bots, bro.
me and Donut, all you hear from Donut is me. 200! 200!